You join me dog minding my friends two West Highland Terriers, or Westies as they're called. Marge has gone out, leaving me in charge, and it's going to be challenging, to say the least. Oh crap. Charlie, give me back my post. Oh no, the dog's got my post. Oh no, oh crap. I think this dog minding has turned out to be a bit of a bad idea. Oh yes. Charlie, come on, stop that. Oh Christ. Oh no. Ma's going to kill me. Oh no. Oh dear. No. 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 I'm absolutely jiggered. Oh no. Well, oh, Bear, look at me. Don't even think about humping Lotso. That's my pillow. Marge, have you seen Bear? I can't find him anywhere. Oh, it's all right. Don't worry. Keep listening to your music. Yes. He's on your bed, and oh dear.